Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create blank document in Word on laptop. Let's get started. At first, open your laptop and go to Start button or menu. Then we can see here your all software. You find your Word software, otherwise you can search this search bar. Now I am right Word. Then we can see here the Word app. Now I am click this Word app. Wait some moment to opening this. Now we can see here we open the Word app or application or software. Now we go to the new menu and we can see here the blank document option, and here many template. You can use any template to this template. Now I am click this blank document option, and now we can see we create a blank document on your Word on your laptop. You can write anything, otherwise you can edit any work. Now I am write some text. Now I am change the size of the text and apply some effect. Now we can see we create a blank document on Word in laptop very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.